Okay. So with all the sessions, we have the recorded versions, which will be shared with you maybe after this session. Okay. So from the beginner, intermediate, advanced, we have all those videos recorded. Okay. Whatever we are doing now is also being recorded, which that will be shared with you. Today's session is the short test, but the most important. So please take notes and then apply whatever that we are going to talk about here. Okay, so today we are going to, okay, so this is the risk warning. Okay, so like I said, trading in CFDs or trading is carries some level of risk, and the only thing you can do to reduce the risk is to educate yourself. Okay, because if you don't educate yourself, you're just going to be making mistakes that you are not even supposed to even try at all. Okay, so you need to ensure that you educate yourself before you start trading or you do whatever you want to do. Now, today's session, okay, you're going to talk about Forex trading plan. Forex trading plan. Okay. Now, like the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So, the same saying also applies here in trading. See, trading is business, like any other business. If you don't have a solid plan, you're just going to be making mistakes. Okay, you'll be doing things out of emotion, like no plan, no legit plan. But that's not what we want you to be doing. Because come here, yeah. Because the broker, which is BD Swiss, only makes money when you are profiting or you are making money from the market. Because it's just a link or intermediate between the trader, and the banks or the forex market. Okay, so let's say you trade, they get small commission, and then you trade, you make losses, you keep losing. At a point you stop trading, you won't even continue with the trade again, and when that happens, they also don't have business. Please, do you get it? So that's why we have these sessions in place to also help you to understand the market well. So today's session is basically about forex trading plan. Okay, now let's delve into it. Now it says, what is Forex trading plan? What is Forex trading plan? I say Forex trading plan a predefined, is a predefined set of rules, criteria, and parameters that guide a trader's decisions regarding when to enter and exit trades. Please let's note the words very well. It's a trading plan is a predefined set of rules. What that means is that before you even place the trade, you have all those set of rules in place already before you place the trade. So maybe in placing the trade, your lot size is already calculated, your loss is already calculated, your profit is already calculated. Those are your set of rules that that is guiding you in this your trading journey. Okay, so it has to be predefined before you even place a trade. You don't place a trade and then in the course of the trade, that's when you are going to say, oh, let me reduce my stop loss, let me take this profit, no, let me wait. No, immediately you do that, you are allowing emotions to set in. Okay, so you see it says forex trading plan is a predefined set of rules, criteria, and parameters that guide the trader's decisions regarding when to enter or exit trades. One of the most difficult part of trading is exiting trades. Entering a trade is just a matter of pressing a buy and sell. But exiting a trade is very difficult. Why? Because it's either you are exiting with profits or you are exiting with a loss. Now, when you're exiting with a profit, let's say profit of $10, greed can set in and you say, oh no, $10 is too small. Let me leave it. It will go to 20. Okay, with the exit. Also, when you're exiting with a loss, you feel like, no, I don't have to lose this because I think my direction or the value, whatever that I'm buying, is really going to appreciate in value. Maybe I'm buying dollars and I believe it's going to appreciate in value, so I can't take this loss. So let me wait. The market will reverse or return or reverse. In that case, an emotion called hope has set in. But if you trade with emotions, you are going to get it wrong. That's why you always need to have a plan. So when you are trading with a plan, it doesn't matter if you are losing maybe one trade, $1, $2. Doesn't matter. Once you have a plan, is enough. But if you are trading without a plan, you don't know what you're even going about. You just press a buy and a sell. Trust me, you always have challenges with your exits as to when to exit the trade, either in a profit or in a loss. And when that happens, you allow emotions to set in. You and I also know that whenever you make decisions based on emotions, you're always going to get it wrong. Okay. All right. So that is it. Please, do you have any questions with the definition of forex trading plan? Do you have any question around it before I continue? Ah, please, are you seeing my screen? Hey.
No, no, you know the sales screen.
Oh, sorry. I think they are sharing.
Yeah, I figure say they give
Okay, let me take it
some brief
again.
intro before you go start. Sef.
Oh, no. Action all that. I'm saying again. Okay. Please, can you see it now?
I think it's loading, yeah, but you're still not seeing your screen yet.
Okay. Okay. Maybe
No,
it'll
it's not
come.
loading at
It'll
all.
come.
It's not loading at all.
Oh, please, who else can see? Oh, no, nobody
Try
can
stop,
see it there.
try stop then reshare them again because you know they come. Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I know they see.
Okay. It will come. It will come.
They agreed the Nelson be number one. No. Agreed the Nelson number one.
Roland Trudeau, that guy be greedy fast.
You know say that listen the $3 I make on the USD it can reach negative 1.83 across some.
Oh,
I figure say will
Let's
go
see.
up.
Let's see.
I figure say will go
Let's
up
see.
up.
The new year, my own show now. Like to do our final.
Hey, Charlie, how you people they do? Make I go see your malam some.
But I know that I can
hey,
go
my
check
mama
it.
love
Very
you,
quick.
God. Oh.
I can go check it. Very quick. 6 point something. I think it's Charlie.
Hey,
Yeah, I said they lose for the accounting side. As I cash out the trade we are plays or Charlie, them all the go red is but no be huge
uh,
red. The wedge I'm small.
okay. When I costa day, no be easy, massa. I think can't go. People man get things learn. No. Hey.
I swear you. The candle book now, the candlestick book now, then take to the group inside.
Mm.
I open now and then at the bed, we check like Lima to book that.
So, over if it's some good, if it's some, they get some good topics. If we try then,
Yeah, but Charlie, at the mobile, it no be better, no be better.
or it be basic. I don't know. I will. It be basic.
You know, be say it be difficult to they leave chow for the book inside. 163 there.
I wait to you the one trillion market, then you what you be the do.
Charlie. So I
Yes.
mean, actually they learn, then we
I got
learn more and we can practice them.
make
You
a
know
message
that.
across.
Alright, alright.
I think yeah, you just joined there. Yeah, you are muted though. That was you are muted though.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Can you hear me? Yeah.
yeah, we
Okay,
dey
so
hear
I'm
you.
just sharing the screen with you right now. Okay, I'm sharing the screen with you right now. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yeah,
Okay, so please let's take it all over again. So like I said, I mentioned earlier, today's session is going to be the shortest but the most important. Okay, you ensure that you note things, you type or note things down. If you want to take screenshots, you can do that. And what we are going to talk about today is forex trading plan. Like the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So if you are trading with no Luis, is there any challenge, any problem?
No, no, it's not a challenge. It's just a question. So,
Okay,
what you
okay.
are saying, hello,
Yeah,
can
I'm
you hear me?
listening.
So, what you
Yeah,
are
I can
saying,
hear
you
you
mean,
live and colored.
students shouldn't trade with emotions.
Oh yes, you shouldn't trade with emotions. Emotions basically refers to how you feel at some point in time. I feel that the market is going to go up. It's like it's like any other business. If you tell me that, oh, right now I want to go into maybe um farming or maize farming, why? And then you tell us that, oh, I feel that the maize farming business is good. But it doesn't, like, you need to have back data. Remember that before I said, from the beginning of our lesson, I said, I think was it technical analysis or something. I said examination and interpretation of market data to make informed decision. So if you are making decisions out of emotions, they are not informed. You don't have it backed by data. Okay. So immediately you place a trade or you make a trade backed by data, then it's not an emotional trade. Okay. Because you can't measure emotions. So if you're getting something wrong, how can you correct it? Maybe I was so happy. I was happy that I had to just place a buy. It doesn't work that way. People do that most of the time. And in the long run, they don't become profitable. So the simple thing is that the goal here is to become a successful trader. And a successful trader is somebody who make consistent profit. Okay, so if somebody makes profit today and tomorrow loses it and make profit today, tomorrow, that person is not a successful trader. Successful trader makes profit, keep it. Okay, and then along the line, small losses, but in overall, the person will be making profits. Right. So please, Louise, are you okay with the answer?
Yeah, yeah, I'm okay.
All right, sure. So let's delve into it and then. So forex trading plan, okay, refers to or is a predefined set of rules, like I mentioned earlier. So it's not that now that you get into the trade or you place your trade that you are going to now think as to the profit to take, the loss to take on all those back and forth. No. When you enter a trade, okay, before you even place the trade, you should have a plan as to what should be my lot size in case I'm in profit, which profit target do I want, loss target am I looking at, like all those back and forth. Please do you get it? Without that, you're just trading you're just trading. For me, that's how I see it. And every trader who doesn't trade with a plan keeps, making some profit and losing them. But the one who trades with a plan has the way or the skill of making them and then also keeping them. That's what matters. Okay. And it says that it's a predefined. So the rules have to be predefined. Define them before you place your trade. And they guide the traders' decisions regarding when to enter or exit trades. And like I said, the most difficult part of trading is exiting trade. Entering a trade, everybody can just press the buy and the sell. But exiting is one of the most difficult parts of trading. Why? You can exit with profits or exit with a loss. You can exit with profits or exit with a loss. Okay. Now, when you are exiting with profit and you don't have a trading plan, you greed as an emotion is going to set in. Okay. So then let's say you're making a profit of $100. Then you're going to say that $100, I can make $200. I can make $300. Exiting becomes very difficult. Okay. But if you have a trading plan, your plan before you even place the trade, your plan was that when I make $100, I'm out. So immediately you hit your $100, you leave. Simple. Whether you need to make 200, 300, you just leave. Now, exiting with a loss to the emotion that can set in is hope. So you have a loss of let's say $2, but before placing the trade, if you had a plan that the maximum loss that I can stomach or I can take is $1, when it gets to $1, you just leave. Take your loss because the thing that you bought, you're expecting it to appreciate in value, and since it wasn't appreciating or depreciating, you had to just take that small loss and leave. But if you are trading with emotions, you're like, it's going to reverse. Hope. The hope will set in, it's going to reverse. It's going to reverse. What if it doesn't reverse again? Okay, so that is it. Somebody was looking forward to sell his dollars or buy some dollars at 12 CDs. But when it goes to at 6 CDs, when it goes to 8 CDs, it was like, it's going to come to 60, so that I buy some. It didn't come to 6 CD, it got to 9, 10. It's going to come to 7, come to 8. And now it's around 12 CD. It hasn't come back to 6 CD. So you don't know how far it can go. The whole thing is that when you have your plan, stick to the plan. I'm going to share with you how to develop the plan. Okay. Please let's take notes. We've gone through or we've done everything already. There's just a summary of all of whatever we've done. Now, the key aspects of forex trading plan are: one, asset class. Okay. Now, the asset class is that, like I said, the financial market is big, but in the market, we have sub markets. Okay. So, what's going to be the asset class that you would want to trade? That's a sub market. So, somebody can say, I'm trading Forex. Somebody can say, I'm trading indices. Somebody can say, I'm trading commodities. Know the sub market or the asset class that you would want to trade. So, let's say we have decided that we are going to trade Forex. You write it down. That's your plan. Write it down. Asset class Forex. One. Two, instruments. Which instrument in that asset class that you would want to trade? If it is Forex, you can say Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. So then you write down 1, 2 down. Which time frame do you want to use in your trading activity? Maybe 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 4-hour time frame. Then you write down 1, 2 down. So these first three are compulsory. You can't be trading Forex. You can't be trading Forex using 4-hour time frame. They say that, let me change it small to maybe commodities using the same 4-hour. If it goes to your plan, then it's fine. But if you don't have a plan and you're just juggling, like going to and fro, then trust me, you're going to end up making mistakes. Have a plan. And what's the plan? First key point to note is the asset class. Second, instrument. So the asset class may be Forex. Second, maybe Euro USD. Time frame, maybe 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, daily time frame. You should look at your work schedule and how busy you are to select the time frame. Now, then we get back to market environment. Yesterday, I explained to you what market environments are. We have trending environment, and ranging environment. So now that your time frame is 4 hour, you have it open. Which time market environment are you in? Maybe I'm in a ranging market. Why do you think you are in a ranging market? Because the price keeps bouncing between a higher price and a lower price. And how do you know that? It's forming a V, inverted V, W, or M shape, right? Now the question is, which analysis are you using? Technical analysis, or fundamental analysis, or sentimental analysis? If it's technical analysis, then maybe you can choose to say, well, I'm going to approach it with a price action. So I'm going to draw my support and resistance. Or fundamental analysis, where you visit the economic calendar to make a decision, or sentimental analysis. Now that you are done with all this information, data, and then you have been able to examine and interpret them, the next one too is entry. How are you going to enter? Now I'm going to enter with a lot size of say 0.01. You write down 1, 2 down. Your order type, are you going to do pending order, market execution? Market execution is what we do. You just press buy and it goes. Pending order is, let's say you are too busy. You have a profit price that you want the market to execute your trade. When it gets to that price, you can do pending order. Okay, they are all in the MT4. And then exit, stop loss. In case whatever you bought is depreciating in value, okay, what do you have to do? You need to take that loss and then leave, or take profits. Maybe you're making less profits, you can set them automatically, or manual stops. Whilst you are watching and it gets to that profit, you close it. Okay, so basically that is all about trading plan. Like I said, this is the shortest this is the shortest session, but the most important, please. Okay, so what we have done, we have assets, instruments, time frame, market analysis. Don't mix them up. However you are seeing it here, when we are done, you can develop a plan from it. Somebody can say, oh, I want to use 1 minute time frame. Somebody will say, I want to use 30 minutes time frame. Everybody and the schedule and how they want to approach the market. Now, my advice is that when you have a trading plan, okay, you can choose to say that, okay, let me experiment with this trading plan, or let me try this trading plan and see how best it works. If you have a demo account, you can work your trading plan on it. If you have a live account, you can start with it. But if you're a new trader, okay, new, just a first session, you have a live account funded, I would advise that you start with a lot size of 0.01. Let's say that's even if you are funded with a minimum of $100, do 0.01. Okay. Now do that with, let's say, 10 trades. And after 10 trades, see the number of them that you make profit out of the 10. And from there, you can say that, okay, my strategy is, let's say, 70% good, or 80% good, or 100% good. But what you have to do is that get a plan. And what criteria, what framework is going to help you develop a plan? That's what I've shared with you. Asset class, that's Forex, what we are doing. If you want to do commodities, you can do it. Then which instrument in the Forex, maybe Euro USD. Which time frame, maybe 5 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Which environment, maybe ranging market. You can choose to say, oh, me, I want to trade in just ranging markets. Someone you can choose to say, I want to trade in just trending markets. It's just up to the person. Then analysis. If it's technical, you know what to do. Fundamental, sentimental. And entry. If it's lot size, which lot size are you using? And then the exit too. So if somebody, let's say if you are here that somebody is sending you signals, okay, maybe you need to also communicate with the person and ask the person which time frame is the person using. Okay, time frame. The person using which market environment. At least you need to have a fair idea of what the person is doing. If not, you can also develop your plan from this. Do your analysis on your own. You can also share your signals with people. So basically, this is what we are treating today, Forex trading plan, and I've just shared the framework with you. If you have any question, you can ask me. If not, then today we are going to close very, very early. Yeah. Yeah.
So Dakosa.
Yeah.
So aside this 3 day session, right? Which is like for
Mm-hmm.
is there any other session that takes us more advanced? topics aside
Oh, that yeah, that yeah. So that's what I said, that if you have so with these sessions, whatever we've done in these 3 days are going to be shared with you, okay, so that you still have, it's like revision, okay, but it covers whatever we've done in these 3 days, covers almost everything about trading. What you just have to do is maybe read more, build on it, because there are some things you would want to know, maybe pip value, what pips are, like some few things you would want to know. Or whilst you keep going, you would have some specific questions along the line, like any other business, like I keep saying. But if you want something further, that's one-on-one. What then you have to do is maybe have a live account, which maybe if you already have or not, you have your account funded. Then you just call that, oh, maybe I have my account funded. I think I have this challenge that I would want it to be addressed before I even continue my trading. Then you just book a session and come through. Please, do you get it? So instead of you using your money to pay somebody, like you give the money to the person for the knowledge, and then later you go and look for money to now come and fund your account. You can just fund your account and come for the knowledge for free. Like the one-on-ones. That's like one-on-one. Please, you get it. You call, you book, you come in, we talk one-on-one. Maybe this is your challenge. We all have a look at it. Kingsley, is it okay? Yeah, Kingsley. Okay, all right. Yeah, Nelson.
Okay, thank you for your advice. And I wanted to find out, let's say you enter
Sure.
the market at a rate of 1.26339. What would be the acceptable stop loss
Mm-hmm. Are you
for that?
buying or selling?
You are
Are you
buying.
buying? Are you buying or selling?
Buying.
Okay, then what's your capital to? What's your balance? Or
Let's say $10.
and what's your lot size?
Uh,
What's your lot
that is
size?
the
$10,
1.26.
which no, that's the
1.2.
price. That's the price at which you entered. So your lot size could your lot size should be the 0.01, 0.05, all those things.
Okay, 0.01.
What you typed in before you pressed buy.
Yeah,
Okay.
0.01.
So with the last I mentioned that for okay. So the last I mentioned that for proper risk management, okay, I would
Okay.
advise that you start with a capital of $100,
Oh,
so that in case the trade doesn't go your way, the maximum loss you would want to occur is maybe $1. But if you have $10 in your account and then you place the lot size of a trade with a lot size of 0.01, what that means is that if that trade doesn't go your way and you even choose to close your loss at $1, $1 out of $10 is 10% of your money. That's too much. It means if you should go 10 trades and then they don't go your way, you have all your money. Like, why? It's not supposed to. You're not supposed to do that. See, one key risk about trading is undercapitalization. So I would advise that at least when starting, at least get $100 in there, and then plan that, okay, the maximum loss I can incur on a trade is $1. So $100, if you lose $1 on that, please, you get it, Kojo.
yes, please. Thank you for your advice.
Yeah, Nelson.
Yes, please. I've heard everything you just
All
said.
right,
Thank
sure.
you.
All right, sure. All right, sure. Please, any question? Roland. Okay, Kingsley answered. Juliana, Estelle, Daniel. Please, any question?
Oh, sir, please, no question. No question. Everything is self-explanatory.
All right, sure. Nice, 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 nice. So, like I said, this all the session from yesterday. Okay, Daniel.
Okay, good afternoon. This is Clement.
Yeah. Oh, okay, Clement.
We are all using the same machine today.
Yeah, manager.
Uh,
Yes.
so today's news is my $100 is now $540.
Oh, wow. That's great. That's great.
So I made two
See,
hundred
once
dollars
once it's
today.
okay, that's great. Once it's working for you, okay. See, one thing I keep saying is that in making money, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing like being right in making money,
Yeah,
like being right or wrong. All that matters is to make money. So
yeah,
maybe you have your plan, okay, and once your plan, like maybe your plan is that, oh, when you see this or when something of this happens, you press buy or once you have a plan and you know what you are doing and it's giving you profits, it's fine.
yeah,
That is it. But if you don't have a plan, there's a problem. Once you have a
yeah,
plan that, oh, me, this is what I see, it triggers me to buy. And if I ask you that, oh, Charlie, why did you buy? Like, what informed you to buy? Say, oh, I saw this or I did this before I bought. It's fine. And it's making you money, it's fine. It's unless if your plan is not working, that's when you would want to review some things about the plan, maybe how you go about it and all of that. But once it's working for you, then it's fine.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yes. All right. We'll come for an acquaintance. Oh.
Is that the question you are taking it now? No, be
No,
me.
we are coming for a share. Okay, so we'll come for a big share. We'll come for a big share.
Uh-huh.
All right, Charlie. Please, any
Uh,
question? Yeah. Okay. So then I think we'll bring this session to a close, and then maybe in the next hour or two, we'll share all the links with you, the recorded videos for you to also watch. And then if you have any questions, like I said, you can just hit us up. Okay. All right.
I think
In
I'll
the
come for
absence
one
of
on tomorrow.
all right, sure, Daniel. All right, sure,
Yeah,
sure,
that
sure.
is about the stop
Okay.
loss and
Okay,
the
sure, sure.
this
Okay,
the tour
sure.
guy Dennis. So I'll be there.
Yeah, Dennis. Okay, okay. All right, sure. All right. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.